Take a look at this absolute mess. This is my downloads folder, and if yours looks anything like this, it probably gives you low-key anxiety. Normally, sorting through all of these, creating folders and dragging files would take a solid 20 minutes of mindless clicking. But watch this. I'm going to go into Excel and I'm going to click on this button. Oh, files have been organized successfully, and look at the download folder. Everything is perfectly sorted in the folders. You can see, for example, in the exe folder, the exe files are available. In this folder, another files. In the PDF files. And in the rar, you can find rar files. I didn't write a single line of the code that made this happen. AI did. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make AI build this exact automation for you, even if you have never touched coding in your life. And pay attention to this point that Excel could work on your computer environment. It's not only available in the Excel environment, and you can use it in computer environment in the Windows. So let's get started. But before diving into the details, if you like such contents, you can follow and subscribe our channel to see similar contents. To pull this off, we're going to use Excel's hidden superpower, VBA, or Visual Basic for Applications. It's a coding language built right into Excel that allows it to control your actual computer. Now don't panic. You don't need to know how to code because ChatGPT or any other AI platforms already speaks fluent VBA. We just have to ask it nicely. Here is the exact prompt we're going to use. Copy this word for word and submit it. Okay, look at that. In less than 5 seconds, the AI spits out a complete block of code. It's actually 2 responses. In some cases, you have to select the preferred answer. One of them is only a prompt, and the other one is it includes a block of code. So absolutely, I prefer this one. And don't read the code, don't memorize it. Just look for the little copy code button at the top right and click on it. The work here is done. Go back to Excel environment, press Alt and F11. Welcome to the backend of Excel. Don't let the 1995 Windows look scare you. Go to the top menu, click on Insert and then Module. Now paste the code you have selected from ChatGPT. The only remaining part here is to edit the folder path. Here it's written change this path. You have to change the folder, the messy folder path, and my folder is a download folder, so only click on it and copy the address and paste it in the code. So the coding is done. Then don't forget to save it by pressing on Ctrl S. Press yes and then click on close button here. Now the only thing is to insert a shape. Let me add a shape like this. I can write a name, organize my folder, and you can make it a bit bigger and put it in the center. Now the only remaining step is to right click and assign the macro. This is the macro I've created right now with the help of ChatGPT. By pressing on OK, it will be applied to this shape. Let me show you the folder and Excel file side by side. Are you ready to click on this button? Now you can see that in less than 2 seconds, the folder is organized and the files with different extensions are inserted into the separate folders. Absolute perfection. Every PDF is in the PDF folder, every spreadsheet is categorized, and your computer is instantly organized. Think about it. You just built a custom desktop software application inside of a spreadsheet using nothing but plain English and AI. If you want to see how to use AI to do even crazier things in Excel, like pulling the livestock data straight from the web, click the video on your screen right now and subscribe to our channel. And also drop a like if this video saved you some time. And I will see you in the next video.